Hi guys, it's me. I'm back and I just wanted to take a quick second just to let you know that I'm in Greece, as most of you know, and I'm here for the actual olive oil harvest this year. But I want to take this opportunity to really thank each and every one of you. Your likes, your hearts, your comments have been absolutely tremendous. They've been a huge source of support and comfort for me because, believe it or not, although I am home here, I do get homesick for Canada as well, and my family, my home, and certainly Mitso and Nia. But here's the thing, what I wanted to say is that along with this, I am going to be coming up with even more videos. I'm going to be coming out with more pictures, certainly, of my travels. And just to let y'all know that, you know what, there is such a different part of life and part of the world here. As you can see behind me, I'm sitting here in Vromoneri, in just outside of Gargagliani, about 3.5 hours southwest of Kalamata, or Athens, actually, about an hour west of Kalamata. And here, I love this area. It is my second home. It's where I hang out in the summers. And I just wanted to let you know that starting probably actually not probably this week, I will be pumping out some great new videos for YouTube and my social media with recipes as well. Some classic and traditional, very regional dishes, as well as some of my own recipes that are, of course, Greek inspired. Now, once again, thank you so much again for your support and your comments, your feedback. It is all so very much appreciated. Love you all very much, and I will be talking to you very, very soon. Take care. Much love. Bye for now.